Hey guys, Mike from Urban Automotive here in Oakville, Ontario, Canada. We are underneath the vehicle today. It is a 2014 Subaru Impreza, and our man Ian is at the back here.
Hi, everybody.
In the sunlight, looking like an angel. Let's try to get where we can see his face.
Lots of shadows with the background
There we go,
light.
that's better. Okay,
Hey.
what are we doing today, Ian?
Well, the customer concern was a feeling of looseness in the steering on the highway. We brought the vehicle in, double-checked the front end to make sure there were no loose parts, which there were not. And then we double-checked the alignment. And in this case, the alignment was out. So right now I'm in the process of adjusting the rear alignment, and then I'll move on to the front alignment, which is also out. So
how does the vehicle get out of alignment?
There's several different ways a vehicle gets out of alignment. Is wear and tear. As the springs age, the vehicle sinks a little bit, and that changes the alignment, or you hit a pothole, scrub a curb.
So that's just not an urban legend. Like, you can throw a vehicle out of alignment by hitting a pothole.
Oh, absolutely.
You like how I threw urban legend in there? Yeah, forget it. Sorry.
So in the Subaru, there's a couple of adjustments in the rear for tow, pretty much only.
We love Subarus.
So I'm in the process of adjusting.
We're moving a couple of bolts here on the rear end with the independent suspension, and that is changing our reading on the actual scanner for the alignment machine. As you see, we have a John Bean 3300. And it changes the degrees, and even a slight adjustment in the rear will change the front, and obviously vice versa on these complicated independent suspensions. Anything else to add here, Ian?
That's pretty much it. We'll dial this in and then re-road test the car to make sure that the steering is feeling the way it should be and the steering wheel is straight.
All right. Well, there you have it, folks. If you need an alignment, worried about an alignment check, concerned about your stability of your vehicle, your steering, your wear and tear on your tires, Urban Automotive does do that. Alignment checks and alignments. Give us a call, 905-845-3531. Please hit subscribe below and watch our videos for these type of learning sessions. Appreciate you watching. Thank you.